Hi, I'm Angela. I'm going to make these homemade chicken tenders in the Pampered Chef air fryer right there. Let's see if I can show you guys that air fryer without causing all kinds of chaos. So that's the air fryer right there. Has many different settings: air fry, bake, roast, rotisserie, reheat, and dehydrate. I have used everything so far except for the reheat. And I have all of my ingredients here already set out. I've already knocked over some, so I guess I'll be remeasuring stuff. That sounds like fun. Oops. Give me a minute. I'm trying to figure out this stand. Sorry, guys. Alright, now that my fat hand is out of the way, hey! So, let me just remeasure my ingredients here. You guys see me, hear me okay? So, I have a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And we're gonna do that again. I am a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. And then, yeah, I just have cheapo spices. They're all good, the same to me. So here I have, according to the, wait a minute, I dumped the pepper everywhere earlier, so let me get rid of this. I have sea salt. I have a half teaspoon. Oh, and this recipe comes in this cooking guide that came with the air fryer. So, I have my chicken tenders. They're over there draining. I kind of rinsed them. I don't normally rinse them because it's not necessary, but I did today because there's just a lot of gooey water, yucky in it. I have my cornflakes, and yep, I even have cheapo cornflakes to go. So I got cornflakes, 2 eggs, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and flour. And I have oil, and I have this spray to spray on the trays to prevent it from sticking. So I do know that the recipe calls for my flakes here to be crushed. They're not crushed, but I'm going to crush them. And I'm going to use my mix and chop to crush them. So I don't think they need to be totally super crushed. And I have a helper. Get down, Bellamy. I really like my mix and chop. I can use it for a lot of things besides ground beef, but I bought it just to do ground beef. And the seller for me was, do you like your ground meat and your tacos really small like they do at Taco Bell? I was like, yeah, who doesn't? So that's what sold me on this. I just noticed that I forgot to plug in the air fryer, so I'm going to have to disappear off screen in a minute and go plug it in. Alright, so I think we'll crush it just a little bit more. I have a helper. I'll do my air fryer for me. Thanks, babe. Alright, so there's that. Those are my flakes chopped up. The instructions say to pat the chicken tenders dry with paper towel. Of course, I'm kind of out of room here. Let me make some room. I'm not going to do a whole lot this first batch around. So I haven't made these in there yet, so this is be a test. And I just want you to know I haven't done a live feed of Pampered Chef at all. So you guys are my test peoples. Alright. That's just... Ugh. And I did wash my hands before I started. Before I turned on the video. So I have my 3 bowls. I patted my tenders dry. I'm going to add the flour to a shallow bowl. Can you get me milk, babe? I forgot to get milk too. And I only need 1 tablespoon of milk. Thank you. One tablespoon of milk. No, go away, puppy. Go away. She's nosy. She likes to see what I'm doing. She thinks she's going to get stuff in here. She's not. I'll just use a fork. So this is my problem with the kitchen, is never being able to find what I need when I need it. It's all here. Just don't know where. So scramble up this little eggs and the milk together. And I'm going to put the cornflakes in the 3rd bowl. So I have all 3 bowls ready. And then in this bowl, I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. And the pepper, garlic powder, and the salt. And then I'm going to put these chicken tenders in there. Here. And then I'm going to toss them to coat it. So, can you see? There you go. And then it says to dip each tender in the flour, then the egg, and then the cornflake. So, flour. Yeah. So this rotisserie comes with it, or this basket. This basket, you can cook popcorn in this. I can't wait to try it. I haven't yet. I haven't tried it because the dog thinks she can have popcorn. It's not. And then it comes with this handle. I haven't figured out what that's for yet. And then here it has the rotisserie bar and the prongs. We did do rotisserie chicken. That was pretty good. And then it comes with these 2 trays. And I'm pretty sure that I have to spray this tray so they don't stick. So I'm going to just do that right now. mixture. And then into the cornflakes. One. So in the air fryer, we have done, I did some pies last night. They came out pretty good. It tasted good. I don't know that I was a fan of the amount of lemon peel that was in them. But it baked them really well. And I had pie in 15 minutes. So I liked that. And we did a rotisserie chicken. It only took, I think, 45 minutes to do the rotisserie chicken. And I dehydrated, for the dog, I dehydrated some sweet potatoes. Those took a long time, but, you know, for one ingredient treat for the dog, she likes them. There's that one. It's a good thing I'm not trying to do more than 4 because they're only fitting 4 on the tray. And then I'm going to move all of this stuff to the next counter, and then I'm going to wash my hands again. I can't play right now, baby. Go on. Having a puppy is like having a toddler. And I forgot what that was like. Alright, so can you guys, can you not, there we go. Can you see the air fryer? Alright, so the instructions say, yep, to turn, so to get, it's plugged in, it's flashing, it's ready to go. So I'm gonna turn the wheel to air fry. So when this little light lights up, there, that's it. And then I'm gonna press the wheel and I'm gonna select 9 minutes. 9 minutes, I'm gonna open it up. Yeah, wait a minute, air fryer. That up there, and then that, and there, it's going. That's it. So in 9 minutes, I will have some crispy homemade chicken tenders. I like it because I didn't have to preheat the oven, which would have taken me, 10 minutes, 15 minutes to do that. And then, this is all, it's just ready to go. In 9 minutes, I'll be ready to eat. The rest of them won't. So, and it's really quiet. You don't really hear a lot of it. Look, there's Bellamy peeking around the hair fryer. Can you guys see her? This is Nosy Rosie here. It's not really her name. Her name is Bellamy, but she's nosy. So now I gotta sanitize this counter again. Thank you. Thank you, because you have muddy paws. I've been digging. Bad girl. Oh, Carmen, you're the only one left, it looks like, in the group. Thanks. Do you have any questions, Carmen? In this book that comes with it, it gives you all these different settings for, like, frozen food, tells you what tray to use, what setting to use, and how long to put it in for. That's for frozen foods. This one is for roasted vegetables. We did some asparagus. I'm not a big fan of asparagus, but in there, oh my gosh, it was really, really good. I liked it. And it has chicken, fish, and seafood settings, and the dehydrated fruit settings. It took a lot longer than what it said, but maybe it's because I chopped mine a little thicker. But and then it has these recipes, so I can do chicken wings, like Buffalo Wild Wing chicken wings, French fries, coconut shrimp, beef jerky. Beef jerky. I'm normally I've ever had asparagus, it's always been soft and mushy, and it's not the taste that bothers me, it's the feel in my mouth. But the other night when we made it in the air fryer, it was good. It was nice and crispy. I liked it. So I have more asparagus to make that way. So, and then there's our chicken tender recipe. And the crispy cod. This is the recipe we did with the asparagus, the crispy cod. It was really good. I can't wait to do beef jerky, but the grocery stores here are out of the meat that I need to make the beef jerky. So, chicken Parmesan, Stromboli. I did make Stromboli. This was easy. This is cheese, pepperoni, and pizza crust cut in half. So you buy already made pizza crust, like in the roll. You roll it out, and then you use your rolling pin to flatten it out, thin it out. You cut it in half, and the timer just went off. That's for me to switch trays, but I only did one tray, so I'm not gonna stop it and switch it. I'm just let it go. And then you sprinkle this with Italian seasoning. You cook it, flip it over halfway through, and oh yes, that was really good. And then the Peruvian chicken, we haven't done that one yet. And then those are the little pies that I made last night. They're gone. So that's just the book that it comes with. But if you buy like the Season's Best cookbook, it has a lot more recipes in there for the air fryer and the quick cooker. I don't know why it runs behind. I've noticed that before. So that when I speak, you guys get it delayed. I think that's a Facebook thing. Do you have full view of my kitchen, Carmen? Like, can you see back there? That's my Instapot in the back corner. Might be on your other corner, I don't know. I can see it back there. on the counter. Yeah, she likes to be right by my side, my puppy. That Instant Pot that's back there on that counter, that's the Instant Pot. The Quick Cooker, I haven't used the Instant Pot since I got the Quick Cooker. I like the Quick Cooker much better. So we just got 3 more minutes. It's funny, Holly's in the group, but she doesn't show up there. It says 2 over there, but only shows me Carmen's picture. Nope. 9 minutes and we're done. You can come and say hello. Hi! Say hi to everybody! Nah, don't lick me. I already have to wash my hands again. And the counter. This would be great for making hamburgers and French fries. Aw, good girl. Did you finish eating? No? Bad girl. It does cook pretty fast. I put 4 chicken tenders in there. I could have done 2 trays. I probably could have done more than 4 on 1 tray. But I didn't want to do all the breading and everything on the video, so I just did there. It's done. There we go. I guess that's probably what this thing is for, so I can pull that basket out. There we go. I'm getting the pot holder. I don't trust that. There you go. They're done. You can do frozen pizza in here too, Holly. Yeah. So let me. I got no place to set that down because your dirty paws were on the counter. She's fine. She's on the carpet, but... Oh yeah, those are nice and done. Cut that right in the middle. There you go. They smell really good too. Bellamy thinks she's gonna get some. She's not. So I have chicken tenders for 1 right here, pretty much. And I'm going to finish the rest of them. I'm going to end this video. You guys got any questions? Oop. Hi. Oh, now it shows 2 people in there. Carmen and Holly. Get down. All right, I'm going to end the video. And I will post it in the group so other people can watch it later. And I'm going to save it to my phone so I can go post it in the other parties that I have. All right. Have a good night, guys.